How to delete all app history on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your app history on iPhone. Well, basically there is no any option to delete your app history. However, what you can do is you can delete your app data history and all such account databases, all your saved data. Now to do so, what you can do is head into settings. Once you're on the settings, head into general. Under general, you want to head into the iPhone storage option. Once you're here, you want to select the particular app. So first, suppose you want to delete your TikTok history or TikTok account history or TikTok here. Now without deleting the app, basically you'll have to delete the app in all, right, to delete all of its history. But what you can do here is tap on Offload App and go ahead and upload it. Now this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So one of the only prominent ways is to delete the app itself, but if you want, you can use the offload app option as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.